Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Ko Samui. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions, at your own pace, for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome. Let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. Tranquil, colorful temple complex featuring a lake with an 18-armed statue of the goddess Guanyin. Then on to Wat Phra Yai. Massive, circa 1972 gilded Buddha statue at the colorful Phra Yai Temple complex. Then on to the next attraction. Then move to Lad Ko viewpoint. This coastal stop offers panoramic seaside views and has a small shaded pavilion with seating. And then Lamai Beach. White sand beach lined with bars and restaurants, with rentable lounge chairs and palm trees. Then move to Nam Yuen Safari Park. Animal Adventure Park with elephant shows, jeep rides to mountain vistas and a waterfall hike. Then on to Laem Sor Pagoda. Small, golden pagoda with ornate details in a serene oceanfront setting with a sandy beach. Next stop Na Mueang-1 waterfall. Serene destination with 2 cascading waterfalls, one of them reachable by a 30-minute forest hike. The most popular travel time in Ko Samui is August. The temperature ranges from 28 to 22 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Loi Krathong is in November. Songkran Thai New Year is in April. Samui Regatta is in May. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.